Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda filed her nomination for the upcoming Rajya Sabha polls at Returning Officer at the Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat today. Sarda was accompanied by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Home Minister Govindas Konthokzam, BJP legislators and senior party leaders along with Alliance Party MLAs. Earlier, Adhikari Mayum Sarda hoisted party flag at her residence at Brahmapur Aribam Laikai, and she also paid tribute to statues of past leaders of BJP at party headquarters in Nithe Park today. Home Minister Govindas Konthokzam, MLA Susendro, MLA Laurembam Rameshwar, MLA Kumukchum Joy Kishan, MLA Khwarakpam Raghumani, MLA Nishikant Sapam and MLA Sapam Kunjukishore are proposers in formed number 1, while former Chief Minister N. Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Lo Sidiko, MLA Mohammad Abdul Nasir, MLA Thongnautam Sham Kumar, MLA Irengbam Nalini, MLA Ram Muiva are proposers in formed number 2. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan, MLA Haikam Dingo, MLA Mohammad Achab Uddin, MLA Dingang Nungangmai, MLA Sanasam Prem Chandra and MLA Thangjum Arun Kumar are proposers in nomination form number 3. Speaking on the sideline, Adhikari Mayum Sarda said she will raise women-related issues in Parliament if she gets elected as member of Rajya Sabha. She added that as a woman, her priorities will always be to work for development-related issues of women and for their empowerment. She also asserted that she will raise issues related to safeguarding the integrity of Manipur. Sarda Devi's candidature is being seen as significant within the party as she holds the distinction of being the first woman to have served as the BJP state president in Manipur. The election for Manipur's Rajya Sabha seat will be held on June 18 and the counting of votes is scheduled to begin at 5 p.m. on the same day.
Manipur integrity nga na ba loina na tungan ba Manipur interest da pukhalakpa issues sin trajasi maru oina ai isamak nupi mo ina party president na mo ina haukiba irang thokiba irang da especially nupi sing care lauraga koina nupi sing gi oiba awaba henna wara suwaba aduba mayang ka manadawa duwa pregnant women sing na chingbagi especially aina dugumpa relief camp anba sumai tawdana tungan ta nupi ki issue kya pukhatkani loinana nupi ama oina nupi singi tamakta matam punamakta nupi ki chawka torang sothaba backward group ta chingge haidana dumba thambiri ba women empowerment da dumba pandam thamaga women led development country ama oina na ba kona ribasida he na nupi singa punin chingcham
Madam Manipur